Your destination is on the right.
Hey guys, got a great update. We gonna give you a new house tour. Painting is finished and we got flooring installed. Finished painters are done. The doors look great. We got countertops just installed. Waiting on a stove right there. But I'm extremely happy with how this has all turned out. We knocked out a wall and man, it feels just a lot more open, obviously. We also have just this great winter view out here. I love it, city of Chattanooga. So, love that. The big hang up right now is waiting on the water company. They're short staffed, like everybody. Some people have had COVID, they've had some trucks go down. So, waiting on them to get water and we should be ready for our CO. Waiting on a stove right here, and that is it. Just to give you a refresh, we've got the master bedroom right here, 2 closets, really good, and need a mirror right in here, but little bathroom, one of my smaller 10 by 10 rooms, and then we've got washer dryer, stacker unit right there, fridge right there. I really like this layout a lot. And then we've got the smaller bedrooms here as well with the 10 by 10 room and another 10 by 10 room. That room will have a little bit of a view. So really like the layout, like how these cabinets turned out. My tenants wanted some blinds up here on the front door as well, so we got that for them, and we're gonna treat the decks for them as well. They specifically asked for that, so we're gonna do that. So we're also, what we're gonna do, I've had to pay for a lot of extra dirt because we hit that rock to kind of save money on the rock cost. We position the houses a little different, so I've had to truck in a lot of dirt. But we're gonna build some fire pits out here, and we're gonna do some landscaping to make this a little bit more private, have a good little parking pad up here. So extremely excited how all this turned out. Just wanted to give you an update, and if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and hit like and subscribe. Thanks. One more thing, guys, and that is I get a lot of questions on, how can I get started, or can you help me? And what I've done, since there's so many people asking, is I've got a little group. We meet every Tuesday via Zoom, and I personally help you kind of do this for yourself. And there's a link down below, buildsrentalproperty.com. So just click that link and you'll see more information, and you'll see my first 2 builds I did. All right, thanks, have a good day.